gotta take a video. This is a cool fan. It's green, my mom's favorite color. I wonder if she would like this fan. My mom's favorite. Did you know my mom's favorite color is green?
No.
This is a green. The ceiling fan is green. Yeah, my mom's favorite color is green. So anything she likes green is her favorite. I don't know about fans though.
So you're sending her a picture?
No, I'm making a video actually. I'll send a picture to her.
Do you guys know you shouldn't put this ball inside of it?
It's called the cue ball. It's also called the cue ball, the white ball.
The white ball.
We call it the cue. I like to call it a nickname. Do you know what a nickname is?
Yeah.
I call it the cue ball. Wanna know why?
Why?
Because it's something you hit it with.
Put these inside of the triangle except for the white cue ball.
There you go. That's how you say it.
Give me the 8.
The 8 ball goes in the middle. Did you know the 8 ball, if you make the first shot in of the 8 ball, you're lucky.